This last step will ask you to review the plan you've made in step 4, asking yourself, did I accomplish my goal? And how did my action plan go? Remember, even if your action plan didn't go as well as you had hoped, you have now learned what doesn't work for you. So it's important to accept these setbacks and use them to improve your action plan. There are some things to remember when problem solving. Take some time to review how the problem solving went by recording what you've learned. Tick off which steps you have completed from your plan and be honest with yourself when doing this. Review your progress. It's an important part of mastering problem solving. You'll learn as much from your mistakes as you will from your successes. Lastly, write down what went well and what didn't. And what would you do differently next time?